There is Cucumber. I'm gonna try throwing fly onto his web. He's got sticky stuff all over him. Okay, I've lost it. I gotta go find a new one. Well, I caught a moth instead. That'll work. Oh, look at that. Oh, there it went. That is so cool. Nice. Oh, I don't remember if I said its name, but this is Cucumber. Good work, Cucumber. You did all the work. I did none of it. Alright, I'm gonna turn the flashlight off of it and let it do its web. I'll probably put another short up. So if you're interested, just go look for it.